Greetings, future Thomas Edisons, Sally Rides, Elon Musks, and Katherine Johnsons. I am Teresa Dorman, Associate Dean in the College of Sciences. We are so glad that you are interested in our college. We are the largest college at UCF, and we cover many disciplines. Today, I want to introduce you to our College of Sciences. In this presentation, I will give you an overview of the degrees we offer. I'll talk with you about how to select and complement your major so that you're best prepared for what comes after your bachelor's degree. I'll share a bit about the benefits of research and applied experiences with your College of Sciences degree, and I'll review several aspects of our college that highlight our commitment to quality education. At the end of this presentation, I'll take you on a virtual building tour of our college, but I hope that one day soon you'll be able to visit our campus to appreciate everything that UCF is. This comes as no surprise, but UCF is big. Last fall, the university enrolled 70,000 majors, with 13,000 of them students just like you will be in the College of Sciences. In addition, half of the 36-hour general education program, those courses that are taken by every UCF student, are completed with College of Sciences classes. In fact, many courses even beyond the Gen Ed are taken by majors other than those in the sciences. So in a sense, the sciences teach the university. So let me tell you a little about the structure of UCF and how the College of Sciences fits within that structure. The College of Sciences is one of 13 colleges at UCF, and UCF offers more than 220 majors. Within our college, there are 8 departments and 2 schools. It's within those departments and the schools that you'll find your major. This is how it's broken down with the School of Politics, Security, and International Affairs. The school offers 2 degrees, the Political Science BA and the International and Global Studies BA. Now, when you pick your major, you may have the opportunity to further focus that degree. These focused areas are called tracks or specializations. The Political Science Bachelor of Arts offers 3 different specializations: American Politics and Policy, International Relations and Comparative Politics, and Pre-Law. In addition to your major, in whatever college you may be, there are also complements to your degree. These are called minors and certificates. Now, within the School of Politics, Security, and International Affairs, there are several minors and certificate options. Now, just because you're a major in political science doesn't mean that you have to take these minors and certificates. But what I want to point out here is that they exist across all departments and schools across the university, and they're great ways to supplement and expand your learning experience at UCF. I'll tell you more about minors and certificates in a little bit. Here's another view of the College of Sciences and all the majors that we offer. You can see that we're made up of 4 different areas of the sciences. And as I mentioned before, the options range across a variety of disciplines, everything from anthropology to zoology. Zoology, of course, being a track within our biology degree.